Hi, I am Hanan Ahmed C, S6 Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic structure of Android content URI. Introduction. Android applications often needs to share data with other applications in the Android system. This data sharing is done using content providers. Content providers use content URIs, Uniform Resource Identifiers, the full form of URI, to uniquely identify and access data. A content URI acts like an address that points to specific data inside an application's database or storage. This is the introduction of this topic. What is a content URI? A content URI is a special type of URI used in Android to access data provided by content providers. It allows applications to read data, insert data, update data, delete data. Content URIs helps Android manage secure data sharing between apps. Here is an example. Structure of Android content URI. Context is the authority represented to contact providers. Usually it follows this format. Here is the format: com.example.provider. Authority identifies the content provider. Example. Here contacts is the authority representing the contacts provided. Usually it follows this format. 3. Path. The path specifier is the table or data type inside the provider. Here is example. 4th one is ID. ID is optional. The ID represents a specific record in the table. Then we are discussing about types of content URIs. Collection URI refers to the entire table. Single item URI refers to specific record. Importance of content URIs. Content URIs are important because they enable data sharing between applications, provide secure access to data, allow apps to work with content resolver, maintain data abstraction. Advantages of content URIs. Advantages of content URIs: secure data sharing, standard way of accessing data, encapsulation of data storage, support inter-application communication. Conclusion in topic. The conclusion of Android content URIs plays a crucial role in Android data sharing mechanism by using the scheme, authority, and path. Android applications can safely access and manage shared data through content providers. This system ensures efficient communication between applications and maintaining data security. Thank you.